All right, so we're gonna do a song called "Great Speckled Bird," and I actually went and looked on the computer to find out if there was such a thing as a great speckled bird in the Bible. And sure enough, it came up in Jeremiah chapter 12, verse 9, and it says, "My heritage is unto me as a speckled bird." And then it goes on to say, "The birds around about are against her. Come ye, assemble all the beasts of the field, come to devour." And that's kind of like what we're dealing with today. People are just wanting to be so mean and nasty, and they'll allow any other religion. They're okay with all the other religions, but when it comes to Christianity, the truth, they want to just, tear it up and throw it away. And so doesn't that guy know I'm trying to do a concert down here? He's so loud. Okay, well, let's go ahead and play. If you know it, sing along with me. What a beautiful thought I was thinking concerning the great speckled bird, and to know that mine is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. All the other birds flocking around her, and she is despised by the squaw. But the great speckled bird in the Bible is one with the great church of God, desiring to lower her standards. They watch every move that she makes. They want to find fault with her teachings, but really she makes no mistakes. I'm glad I have learned of her meekness. I am glad that my name is in her book, for I want to be one never fearing the face of my Savior to look when He comes from heaven on a cloud, like He said in His word. I'll be joyful, carried to meet Him on the wings of the great speckled bird. On the wings of the great speckled